Hello guys! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to check your recent searches on Instagram. This is really helpful if you want to review what you've searched for, or clear your search history for privacy reasons. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. After that, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen and select your activity. Here, scroll down and tap on Recent Searches. You will now be able to see all the searches you've made on Instagram. If you want to delete them, simply tap on Select and then choose Delete. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Until next time, see you soon.